In plant and mechanical engineering, especially for series machine manufacturers, servicing the delivered machines is often included in the offer. In order to reduce costs, this service is nowadays mostly realized via remote maintenance with secure remote access to the machines on site. VPN technology, supported by a central switching instance, is particularly suitable in this case. Sinema Remote Connect is a solution. It enables convenient management of a number of VPN connections. The central element of Sinema Remote Connect is a scalable server application that runs on a separate computer. This computer must be accessible via the Internet. Sinema Remote Connect then becomes the link between the individual participants, the central station, the service technicians, and the machines or their VPN tunnel endpoints, Scalence S615 or Scalence M. The participants connect with the server that checks the authorization and then establishes the desired connections. Now let's take a look at the configuration of the Sinema Remote Connect solution. Scalence devices as well as the Sinema Remote Connect server are configured in a browser of the respective web-based management. First of all, the basic settings of the Sinema Remote Connect server must be configured. Users, participant groups, and their communication relationships need to be defined so that the right service technicians can communicate with the right plants. For the individual plants, only their respective VPN tunnel endpoints are configured in the Sinema Remote Connect server. In our example, this tunnel endpoint is a Scalence S615 security module, to which the configuration data is now transferred. This is performed conveniently via auto-configuration with only a few parameters. After entering the parameters, Scalence S615 establishes an HTTPS connection with the Sinema Remote Connect server. The configuration data is automatically downloaded via this connection. Subsequently, the VPN tunnel is established. The VPN connections between Scalence S615 or Scalence M with the Sinema Remote Connect server can either be permanent or established only when required. This can be controlled via a digital input on site, or with Scalence M via SMS. For remote maintenance, however, the service technician also requires a connection to the Sinema Remote Connect server. This access is created via an open VPN client, here via the Sinema Remote Connect client. The service technician logs onto the Sinema Remote Connect client with the previously created user data and authenticates himself at the server. After logon, all of the participants accessible for the user are displayed in the address book. The service technician can now connect to the plant via VPN tunnel. This is where, for example, faults can be diagnosed or changes can be made in the user program of a controller. In the event of several plants with identical ID subnets existing within the configuration, the following solution can be applied. The desired participant can be selected via one-to-one NAT address translation. Sinema Remote Connect can be expanded by any number of plants and service technicians. Sinema Remote Connect, the simple and secure connection for your remote tasks.